Hey guys! In this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best cordless routers that are available on the market. For their true quality, you can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Milwaukee Cordless Compact Router. This budget-friendly option is a true standout for its price point, offering the powerful 800W brushless motor that delivers an impressive speed range of up to 30,000 RPM. With its 6-speed variable control, you get the flexibility to adjust the router's speed to suit various woodworking tasks, from edging to detailed carving. Plus, it's compatible with a wide range of DEWALT 20V batteries, adding to its versatility. The design of the Milwaukee router is both rugged and practical. Its aluminum base provides excellent stability and durability, while the lightweight ABS body ensures portability without compromising on build quality. It also comes with an all-in-one accessory kit, including a dust hood, roller and edge guides, and 6 router bits, making this a great choice for beginners or hobbyists. However, the Milwaukee router does have its limitations. While powerful, it lacks the refinement and advanced features of higher-end models, such as electronic feedback or a soft start. Additionally, its noise levels can be higher than other routers in this lineup. Still, for just $75.99, this router is an excellent value for woodworking enthusiasts on a budget. At number 4, we have the CRAFTSMAN V20 cordless router. This router is an excellent mid-range option with a powerful brushless motor that promises long runtime and consistent performance. The variable speed dial offers a range from 16,000 to 30,000 RPM, allowing you to tailor the router's settings to your specific project needs. It also comes with useful accessories like an edge guide and dust port adapter, making it a great companion for clean and precise woodworking. Design-wise, the CRAFTSMAN V20 features a durable plastic body that feels sturdy in hand. The depth adjustment knob is smooth and intuitive, ensuring fast and accurate height adjustments. Additionally, the built-in LED light is a handy feature that illuminates your workspace, especially in low-light conditions. Weighing just over 4 pounds, it's a bit on the heavier side, but still manageable for most users. The downside here is the lack of included batteries, which means you'll need to purchase those separately if you don't already own compatible ones. Additionally, while it's a great tool for general use, it might not have the finesse required for highly detailed or professional-grade projects. At $79.20, the CRAFTSMAN V20 offers excellent value for hobbyist woodworkers looking for reliability without breaking the bank. Securing the number 3 spot is the DEWALT DCW600B 20V Max XR Compact Fixed Base Router. This router is designed with professionals in mind, offering a robust build and exceptional performance. Its standout feature is the brushless motor, which not only improves runtime but also ensures consistent power delivery. The variable speed capability allows you to adjust the router's speed to match the material and application, making it one of the most versatile tools in this lineup. Build quality is where DEWALT shines, and the DCW600B is no exception. The metal base adds durability and stability, while the compact form factor ensures easy handling and control. At 3.9 pounds, it strikes a balance between substantial build quality and lightweight maneuverability. The electronic brake is another thoughtful addition, providing safety by slowing down the motor quickly after you shut it off. On the downside, this model is on the pricier side at $134, and like many DEWALT tools, it doesn't include batteries in the package. However, if you're already invested in the DEWALT ecosystem, this router is a no-brainer. Its combination of power, precision, and durability makes it an excellent choice for both professionals and serious DIYers. In second place, we have another impressive offering from DEWALT, the 20V Max XR Cordless Router DCW600B. This router is packed with features that make it a top contender, including a soft start motor for smooth operation and full-time electronic feedback to maintain consistent speed during cuts. The variable speed dial offers precision control, while the dual LEDs illuminate your work surface, ensuring accuracy in every cut. The DCW600B boasts excellent build quality with a durable blend material construction. It's compact and lightweight, weighing just 3.7 pounds, which means you can handle it comfortably even during extended use. The depth adjustment ring is a standout feature, allowing for quick and easy height adjustments. This model is ideal for a wide range of tasks, from edging and trimming to more intricate woodworking projects. The only real drawback is the lack of included batteries and the slightly higher price tag of $127.99. However, its top-notch performance and user-friendly design justify the cost. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a passionate DIYer, this router delivers exceptional results and is worth the investment. Finally, at the top of our list, earning the #1 spot is Milwaukee's Cordless Compact Router. This premium router is designed for professionals who demand top-tier performance. With an 18-volt motor, this router delivers incredible power and precision. It's lightweight at just 2.95 pounds, making it the lightest option on this list. Yet it doesn't skimp on durability or build quality. The motor maintains consistent speed even under load. Ensuring smooth and precise cuts every time. The design of the Milwaukee router is sleek and ergonomic, making it comfortable to handle during long projects. One of its standout features is its portability. This compact router is easy to maneuver in tight spaces and is perfect for on-the-go professionals. While it comes at a premium price of $159.99, the performance and reliability you get from Milwaukee make it well worth the investment. The main drawback here is the price, as it's the most expensive option on this list. Additionally, the accessory kit isn't as extensive as some of the other models. However, if you're looking for the ultimate cordless router that delivers professional-grade results, Milwaukee's Cordless Compact Router is the clear winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.